Palo Alto Network's main mission is to protect our customers' digital way of life.
We build products that protect every user in every location all the time.
Our technologies and our platform approach of integrated security make our users feel secure.
When I was hired, there was really nothing. There was no documentation site. We built both the documentation portal and the corporate website at the same time.
Laralyn and I had a vision that we wanted our documentation to be different, and we didn't want to be in a silo.
We really wanted to get past that mindset where people don't want to read documentation. We really wanted to be on a web platform, and that's why Adobe Experience Manager ended up being our solution. To get our unstructured content in Adobe Experience Manager, we ended up having to write a lot of very specialized code, and it just wasn't scaling. That's when we decided to bite the bullet and convert over to DITA.
There were 3 major prongs to the project. One was actually doing the conversion, and then the second one was the validation of the conversion, and the third was building the PDF and HTML transformation from XML to those things.
The XML documentation for Adobe Experience Manager has really helped us to build a solution where we're central to the customer journey at Palo Alto Networks. The authors are writing in an environment they're familiar with by using FrameMaker and then uploading to AEM, where our content fits right in with the rest of the content that marketing develops.
One of the biggest things that's helped us in iterating is our move to structured FrameMaker and the data framework.
We've been using the XML documentation for the Adobe Experience Manager for over a year now. We just went live with our 8.1 documentation.
We had about 28 deliverables for the release, about 7,000 pages of content. The number of topics that got translated into AEM pages were more than 6,000.
It was the smoothest release we've ever done. Prior to that, it would have taken us probably 3 or 4 times longer to go through the process.
We had 1 million visits to the technical documentation site and actually 200,000 unique visitors in the month of March. The XML documentation for Adobe Experience Manager has really helped us with the efficiency of publishing, our ability to reuse content, and by leveraging the tagging functionality, the ability to build dynamic sets of content, we see as being really important for us in the future. And that's something that using XML and DITA and having a unified publishing platform like AEM is going to help us.
Right now, we only deliver in PDFs, but having HTML ready for each of our documentation, that's findable through SEO, it'd be huge for us. And without the XML documentation solution, they wouldn't be able to do that.
I think the best benefit we've had is the reduced man hours in troubleshooting. In 2013, we created content for about 13,500 customers versus today, I think we are serving about 48,000 end customers. We've been able to create more content and deliver it in a more efficient way for a larger user base. And therefore, I think we're improving customer experience. To be successful in anything, you need the right partnerships. Adobe was a good partner for us to forge ahead on this path because Adobe understands technical documentation. The ability to be integrated with the corporate website, to inherit that look and feel, and to make documentation part of the hardware, software, marketing, all of that, to bring it together was, I think, a dream come true.